Hi guys, today I just ordered some Shein things. I'm going to be unboxing them. I already did a video. I stopped recording on purpose because if I do the video that way with my phone, I can't make a thumbnail. It'll be hard, so I have to do it this way. It's fine, I was only 1 minute in the video. So we got this fake knife from Shein. So shout out to Shein for this. And I had to come in here to record so my sister or brother did not see. Thanks for 9 subscribers. I remember when I was on 6. And then I was like, can you get me to 10? I got that in literally 1 week. Still not a lot though. But like for me it is. Come here. Wait, should I tell my sister about this and then prank my mom? Like pretend we got into a fight. I might have to do that. But I don't know if I can record. She doesn't want to be on camera. Wait, I need to put this back just in case my sister comes in. Not the knife thing, okay. Hey, come here, bro. Okay. Shh, my sister is there. She might come in. Wait. No, she's not. Okay, that's the knife. Okay, so, oh yeah, what to say. Got these mini like brands, Pepsi, or Old Rio, Coke and Starbucks and that. Fake poo as well. We'll be doing this in the part 2 unboxing. So, I'm going to be unboxing the fart spray now. Because I've seen like pranks on TikTok and YouTube shorts and things. Like they put it in the elevator and then like people want to get out of the elevator because it smells. But I don't know how it smells because I've never smelled fart spray. Oh, I don't know how it's going to smell. So I'm not scared to spray it. Because it might smell really bad. I ordered... I can already smell it. And it actually smells. It smells of sewage. Nah, I might vomit, bro. I'm going to do 1 spray. No, it smells bad. I'm not even lying. No, I'm not even lying. That actually reeks. No, I suggest not to buy this. It smells too bad. I don't even know how to put it in. Okay, guys, not gonna lie. I'm not doing this part. I'll unbox the poo. It smells too much. I'm sorry, Mum. I just made your room stink. Nah, no, I'm not even touching that. That stinks. I'm unboxing the poo instead. Because that actually, I'm not even lying. That. If I smell that for like 2 minutes in a row, I'd vomit. Come on, bro. Do not try it at home. Well, you're allowed to order it. Okay, poo. Why is it in another packet? Ugh, it feels weird. It's like... it smells nice. Okay, that sounded weird, but you know what I mean. Okay, does it look real? I mean, at first I thought it didn't look real. It looks more real in the picture. So I'm gonna prank my brother, say my dog pooed in your room. But I do not know how to keep a straight face at times. So... yeah, okay. That's the end of the video. I'm out. Peace, man, peace. Peace, gang.